A very happy morning, my dear kids. I am back with English work. Today, we are going to learn our second vowel, that is E sound words. I hope A sound words and the related exercises are clear to all my lovely kids. Before I start, let's all listen to letter E song.
The letter E. Eh. Letter E says eh, 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 eh. Letter E says eh, 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 elephant, egg, and elf. Eh. Elephant. Eh. Egg. Eh. Elf.
Enjoyed? Very good. Now look at the board. E sound words. You heard in the song also what is the sound of E? Eh. E says eh. So let's read the E sound words. Let's start from here. Beta see, we are going to read with the phonics, okay, and then you will learn the spelling side by side also. Let's start. B says B, E says eh, D says D, B, E, D, bed. This is bed. L says L, E says eh, G says G, L, E, G, leg. This is leg. And how many legs do we have? 2 legs. We have 2 legs. Next, N says N, E says eh, T says T, N, E, T, net. This is a net. Next, H says H, E says eh, N says N, H, E, N, hen. This is a hen. Now before I come to the 4 letter, let's read this one more 3 letter word. W says W, E says E, B says B, W, E, B, web. What is a web? Who lives in a web? Spider lives in a web. And now come to the 4 letter word. See, it has 4 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a 4 letter word. We will read it without sound. Okay? Read. B, E, L, L, bell. So this is 4 letter word of which sound? E sound. Of which sound? E sound. So let's read again. Bed, leg, net, hen, bell, and web. Learn them. As you have learned A sound words now, learn them also. Now look at the writing pattern. You'll open a new page, write down the date. What is the date? 22 April 2020. Okay, then fold your page into half. Write down HOME, home, WORK, work, homework. And what will be the heading? E, put it in the quotes, SOUND, sound, WORDS, words. E sound words. The first word is T says T. Now, this is the tail of T. Join E from here. E says eh. N says N. T, E, N, 10. You'll write it again 2 times. TEN, 10. And here, picture 1, 0, 10. Next word. R says R, E says eh, D says D, R, E, draw an apple. Why ma'am is drawing an apple? Because apple is red in color, so color it with the red color. And write down here again. Next word, B. Now how you will join E here? See beta, this is the tail of B. From here only turn and make E. Go up, L, L, bell. This is the picture of the bell. Next, P says P, E says E, N says N, P, E, N, pen. Picture of pen. Next, N says N, E says E, T says T, N, E, T, net. Don't worry, ma'am will send you the page work. Okay, you can do it beautifully. L says L, E says E, G says G, L, E, G, leg, L, E, G, leg. Next, W says W, E says E, B says B, W, E, B, web. Who lives in a web? Spider lives in a web. Spider lives in a web. If you are unable to draw the picture, please take the help of your parents. Okay. Next is J says J, E says E, T says T, J, E, T, jet, J, E, T, jet. This is a jet. And the last one, W, E, L, L, well. Well means kuwa. In the villages, you must have seen this. Well means kuwa. So do it beautifully in proper formation also. Bye.